In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or activate a disabled add-in in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where an add-in you rely on is suddenly not working, you know how frustrating it can be. But fear not, by the end of this guide, you'll have your add-in up and running again with just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that you're working in a version where this add-in feature is available, usually any reasonably updated version. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you've noticed the add-in issue. Now, look up to the menu bar and head over to the File tab. This is where you can access a host of custom options for your PowerPoint application. After you've clicked on File, a sidebar with various options will appear. Go ahead and click on Options. This will open up a new window that allows you to adjust how PowerPoint functions on your computer. Next, in the Options window, you'll see a list on the left-hand side. From that list, click on Add-ins. This tab gives you an overview of all the add-ins currently associated with your PowerPoint. You should see not only active add-ins, but also those that are inactive or disabled. Now, underneath the list of add-ins, there's a drop-down menu labeled Manage. You'll need to click on this drop-down and select Disabled Items. Essentially, this option will let you see any add-ins that have been turned off. The reason behind disabling can vary from compatibility issues to simple software glitches, so it's useful to periodically check this list. After selecting disabled items, you'll want to click the Go button next to the Manage drop-down. This action opens a smaller window listing all the add-ins that are currently disabled. Here's where you have the power to enable them once again. From the window that pops up, go ahead and choose the add-in you want to enable. Simply click on its name to select it. Finally, you'll see an Enable button. Click on that to activate your add-in, and that's it. Your chosen add-in should now be re-enabled, ready to serve you in all your PowerPoint endeavors. Remember that once it's enabled, it might be a good idea to restart PowerPoint just to make sure everything is functioning smoothly. In case you encounter persistent issues, consider checking if there's an update available for either your PowerPoint or the specific add-in. Sometimes software updates come packed with bug fixes that resolve common issues. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and straightforward. If you have any other questions or need further assistance with PowerPoint, feel free to drop your comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Happy presenting and see you in the next tutorial.